Alrighty, we're going to start the recipe by creaming our butter and our shortening. I keep trying different angles on the camera to see what's better for y'all to see. Let me know in the comments if this angle works better for the view of the mixer. Okay, so there's our butter, our shortening. We're going to cream this together first before we add our eggs. Everything needs to be at room temperature. Okay, so here we go. Like I said, we're going to cream it till very light and fluffy. Okay, we're going to knock everything off. This is just going to ensure that everything is going to get incorporated and there's nothing stuck down at the bottom. We're going to add in our sugar, our white sugar, our brown sugar, and we're going to mix it one more time. Okay, we're going to stop right here, and one more time we're going to scrape everything down before we start adding in our eggs. Okay, now we're going to turn on the mixer and we're going to add the eggs one at a time and the vanilla. So we're going to pour in our vanilla first and turn on our mixer. Add one egg. The next egg. Okay, now we are going to add in our flour, and I'm going to mix the baking powder along with the salt and give it a little mix. Okay, so we're just going to give this a little mix. You can just use a little fork, and we're going to incorporate this into the wet a little bit at a time. We are going to start off slow and add a little bit of flour, a little bit at a time. And now the pecans. Okay, and that's it. We're going to put it on the counter and wrap it up so we can put it in the refrigerator. All right, I have a piece of saran wrap here. I'm going to take about 1/3 of this and we're going to make it, shape it into a little log. So take your saran wrap. I hope you can see. And then of course you're going to make them the size that you want them. Just try to get it as, long as you want it for the size of cookie that you want. You can make them round. I shape them like this first and then I roll them into a cylinder. Just like that. Okay, tighten it up and put it on a tray. It's going to go into the freezer or the refrigerator just until it's hardened enough for us to slice. So we're going to be back in about 1.5 hours or so and we'll cut these and bake them. Okay guys, we will be right back. Guys, we are back. Please excuse this mess over here. I am on a cookie baking mission this week. I have some cookie sheets with some parchment paper. We have our dough that has already chilled in the refrigerator. And what I do, if you can see this bottom part here is flat, I just slam it down on the counter like that so that the first cookie, just like that, can come out the same as the rest of them and it's not wasted. Okay, so we're just going to unwrap it, cut it into 1/4 inch slices. If it starts getting too soft on you, like here, you can press it back or put it back into the refrigerator. So this is the size that you're looking for. I'm just going to start putting them here on the baking sheet. This is a little soft. I was messing with it. This is such a delicious cookie. Okay, and I'm just going to keep going with these. Okay, and there we go. This is it. I'm going to pop them into a 350-degree oven for about 10 minutes, 10 or 11. You got to check them, make sure you don't over bake them so they don't get dry. And I will be back and show you the finished product. Alrighty guys, here are the cookies. They look just like that, nice and crispy and thin. And there's the back. You can see all the nuts. Very nice. I'm going to show you another step to change these. As you can see here, I made some with chocolate and pecans on top. Very easy to modify these recipes. I got a little bit of chocolate, melting chocolate, put it in a bowl, in the microwave, 30 seconds. Give it a mix, another 30 seconds. Don't let it burn. Okay, so what I do is I get a pastry brush. You could dip it if you want to. I just want it on top. You can do half. And then here with the pecans that we had there, just plop it in there. And there you go. And these are delicious. Just one more to add. Let's make another one. And then just give it a little tap. Knock off the excess. And that's it. How cute is that? You can even add some sprinkles if you want to, Christmas sprinkles. You can use white chocolate if you want. I don't have any available right now, but I'm just going to put some chocolate. I'm sure that'll work just fine. I'm not going to cover the whole thing. And then I'm going to cover it with some sprinkles. And look at that. What a difference. Let's see here. Let's try some of these. Just with one dough, one batter, you can make all these different looks. If you like this one cookie. See? And there you go. There's another one. Look at that, how cute that is. And that's it. Look, you can just keep going and just keep changing them however you like. Okay, I'm going to break one so you can see here how crispy they are, how nice they are. Look at that. They're soft on the inside and crispy on the outside. Very good. I'm very sure that you're going to like this recipe. Okay guys, that's going to do it for us today. I will have the recipe and all the items that I used linked in the description bar below, right below the title, as always. And if you have any questions, leave it in the comments and I will get back with you. If you enjoyed the video, big thumbs up, leave a comment. That really helps the channel. I will see you again tomorrow. Talk to you later. Bye.